The cast and crew of Lotus Blooms. It's a feature film being screened under the Indian Panorama section, and we have with us Pratik Sharma, the director of the film, Asmita Sharma, the producer and actress of the film, Master Art Sharma, who's also one of the actors in the film, Akhilendra Mishra, an actor, Prabhat Sharma, also a cast member of the film, and Rajat Goswami, the distributor of Lotus Blooms. If you could please stand here so the press can get their bites as well. My first question is for the director of the film, Pratik Sharma. Could you tell us, it's quite a unique storyline. It's talking about a lot about innocence and purity. So could you tell us a little bit about how you came up with this whole concept for the movie?
Basically, me and Asmita both have done this film, and we were thinking to basically we wanted something related to nature. Okay. Nature as well as a simple storyline going. So this film is basically in one line, if I say, it's basically in the mud of adversity grows the joy of Lotus. That's the basic thing. You want to add something?
So actually blessing of nature. So one line is universe, how bless us. So basically we trust on this, and that's why we made this movie. It's a very unusual thing.
Beautiful as well, ma'am. And Art, this question's for you. You're one of the youngest people I've interviewed on the red carpet. How do you feel being here at Iffi representing your film?
This is my first film on the red carpet. I just don't know how it happened.
You deserve to be here. Akhilendra, could you tell me about your character in the film, and how you feel in this moment being here at Iffi?
लोटस ब्लूम्स वो कहानी है जो प्रकृति मनुष्य को सबक सिखाती है। प्रकृति मनुष्य को सबक सिखा रही है, ये वो कहानी है। कहानी बच्चे और माँ की है, लेकिन प्रकृति का जो योगदान है कहानी में, वो इस फिल्म का सबक है, और उसी को लेखक और निर्देशक ने पिरोया है और हम सबने एक्ट किया है। मैं भी एक छोटी सी भूमिका निभाया हूँ इसमें, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म है। छोटी भूमिकाएं हैं, चरित्र है इसमें, कैरेक्टर्स दिखेंगे आपको, इसमें कहानी मिलेगी, और सामाजिक सरोकार की फिल्म है। पूरी फिल्म को हमने बिहार में शूट किया है, एक गांव में, और ये कोशिश है मैथिली में फिल्म बनाने की, प्रतीक शर्मा की। अद्भुत फिल्म है ये, और हम सब बहुत प्रसन्न हैं यहाँ पर।
So, Mr. Prestige, please pose for the photographs.